All right, guys, 2016 Toyota Tundra, or Toyota Tundra. They always make fun of me for saying Toyota. Anyways, Toyota Tundra. I'm gonna say it the way I'm gonna say it. I don't care. Anyways, what we got done on this beautiful beast. Factory converters there. These come with 4 converters. One right there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. Then it comes true dual from the factory. And then he brought his own muffler. He watched our videos and ordered it offline. 13148 right there, as you guys can see. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then 3-inch tailpipe, continuous factory one out the back. And we also added a Natami tip, dual tip out the back, clean angle cut, slash cut, whatever you want to call it. Just completes the look really cleanly, as you guys can see. Look at that. Just beautiful. And once you hear it on the ground, once you see it on the ground, it looks so nice. And it blends in really nicely with the black wheels, black tires, black wheels, Rhino wheels. And it is a Tundra 4x4. There it is. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there'll be a link in the description for the tip also, guys. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And there's the tip that was on it that we cut off, and that's how the muffler looks. That's the outlet. It's single, and it's got a dual inlet, as you guys can see right there. That we just cut off, that massive muffler. And here we go. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. What do you think? That's it? Videos don't give it justice. It's cleaner in person, you know? That's perfect. Again? And I love the look of these tips. You see how nice the tip looks? It blends in perfectly with the truck. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 104. Again. Yeah, that came out nice. Go ahead and back it up. Very nice. MAGNAFLOW dual in, single out. Perfect. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Tundra with MAGNAFLOW dual in, single out, and dual tip out the back. Really good looking truck. About to give us a nice drive off. Just clean all the way around. Tip fits it perfectly. It's clean. I like it. It's nothing crazy. He lives in a neighborhood. He didn't want it too loud. Just a clean tone. Perfect.